Hello everyone, Ali is here from Vancouver Financial Network. Today is October 18, 2020. We want to talk about the gold, silver. There are lots of price action happenings on the chart. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Let's go to the chart, see what charts tells us. All right, let's see what is going on with chart of the gold actually on weekly chart bar here. So we will see here there is a trend line here, one pivot here, and the pivot over there we break through, and after that breakthrough you will see the massive sell-off coming all the way down to 1848. However, we are getting back and doing consolidation inside this bar. So this is kind of inside bar pattern. If you look at it overall, this is very bullish pattern, by the way. If you're bulling gold, you are right. So this is a bullish pattern, by the way, but we need to see another bullish pattern here inside this red candle, because this red candle, I believe this is very bearish pattern, and all the price action actually happening here right now, it's kind of inside bar this red bar here. So we may see another sell-off probably to 1836, which is going to be a 38.2% retracement of the Fibonacci here. And if you see the indicators are showing like a bearish momentum on the MACD, but however not on the RSI. So we want to see another sell-off here if you're long for gold. So be careful on that, because this is on the weekly chart, and as we see in the weekly chart, here is the trend. The trend is here, and we need to see close above this trend line here. So this is your bearish trend line. I'm gonna just change it to dash line right there. So this trend line actually is broken now. However, we are making this trend line here. So if we copy this here, so we are ranging inside this channel here. This is the bearish channel, which is driving gold price downward probably to 1800. And 1800 is very important level. Let's go to daily chart, see what is here. So here is the daily chart, by the way. This is a bullish momentum happening just at the end of the third week of the September, and price is grinding higher. However, we are stocking below this trend line here right there, which is SMA 50 SMA actually is firming this trend line here, and we need to break through very major resistance area above 1924 to get above this trend line and to break through above this 50 SMA to see a bullish momentum. If gold actually can do that, then we're gonna see lots of resistance here as well. But the final target is going to be right there. The final target is going to be for gold. It's going to be 2000. So this is the upside target if we can break through this. However, we have another trend line here, which is here, pivot low here, low there, and here is the touch on the trend line here, and holding up very well above this 20 SMA. But if we break through, we are going all the way down to 1811, 1789, which is very massive support here. I tell you guys, I've done lots of mathematical equation and lots of mathematical calculation, and see this is the area that, to be honest, I'm really like to see if gold price give us opportunity for many like years massive bullish pattern going up all the way up to like 2500. But we want to see, actually I really like see if gold is doing another leg down to this 1789, 1811, then it's gonna build up a massive as I'm saying, I emphasizing this, a massive rally all the way back up to 2500. I would like to go do that because I'm the bullish side for the long term. However, for the short term, I have no position, guys. I have no position on gold. I did a couple of trades like last month and I just stepped out. And I said, okay, this is not a good price action for me. I have to stay on the side and see what price is doing and what price actually is giving us a good opportunity, a nice setup for another rally. Otherwise, I'm not gonna trade it. So there are two ways for me to trade it. One is closing above this trend line that it gives me like, okay, this is the confirmation for bullish signal. Another one is just waiting, price is coming down, breaking down this trend line, and I'm gonna get a sell signal all the way back to 1811. This is very, very important area, guys. This is very, very nice rally. We had parabolic rally all the way up off the chart, and then see the lots of retracement is coming back down. So this is a bearish price action as well. It's kind of like this. You see this crazy. This is a crazy sell-off. I haven't seen such candle before in gold. It's more than 100 points, $100, which is fantastic for us because we did sell signal here. If you follow us through our Telegram channel, we did sell signal and we just made tons of money here with this candle, just one day. However, this is gonna be probably another one going down because we are playing inside this bar. As you see in the weekly chart, here is the very, very nice inside bar is forming and probably head us down to 1811 or 1789, which is going to be a fantastic opportunity for long side. All right, so let's go to silver. Silver has the same pattern almost. Let me show you this. So this is a weekly chart for silver. Silver weekly chart holds very well. So we didn't break through. So let me clean this. Yeah, if you see a trend line here, we will have like a bullish trend line here, and silver, to be honest, holding up pretty well above this trend line. However, this is very, very bearish pattern. This is inside bar bearish pattern, and I believe me or not, it's gonna go down probably. If we break through this trend line down, we are going all the way down to probably 20 to 18.71. That's gonna be my target for buying opportunity. If we're heading down here, that's gonna be a very, very nice buying opportunity. If we go to daily chart here, okay, so here is the daily chart here. If you see here, pivot low here, we are coming back, retracing to these moving averages, and these moving averages holding price upward, and then momentum actually shifting there. Nice consolidation, hitting this trend line, crossing with 20 moving average here, and then going there, and 1887 and 1949 is really, really good demand area here. This is a very nice demand area. We will see a rally there, base rally. This is not a good shadow here for those guys who are doing supply and demand. This is not a good price action. However, we had very nice rally following through a massive sell-off here like gold, and here is our triangle here. This is an apex triangle here. We are holding above this trend line here, but however, this is a bearish consolidation here. We are just grinding up, holding up above this trend line, but there are too much testing to this trend line. And for those guys who are just doing price action based on the trend line, we know that if you're testing a trend line too much, it's gonna get weak. Upside target is gonna be 25.69 is gonna be our upside target. However, the downside is gonna be this level, 22.73, 21.61 is gonna be a support here. And if we just, let me just hold this right there, this arrow here. If we're holding this area here right there, if we're holding this area here, so we are gonna go back again to see if we have another rally upward to 28 if we can break through this trend line here. However, if we can't hold this area, we are going back to 1887, 1962, which I believe this is a good opportunity for long, guys. I'm really on the bold side for both precious metals, silver and gold, and I'm hoping price actually having another leg down here to fill up all my guns actually with a nice cheap price of the silver and ready for a massive breakout rally to 2021, which is gonna be above 30. Silver is now underperforming gold. Gold has better price action compared to silver. However, silver is gonna be, when silver actually starts rallying like this, no one can catch up with this rally. So be careful, guys. Silver needs to be patient if you are trading silver. Otherwise, you will be bored and you will just getting out of the trade. And when you wake up, you will see, oh my God, silver has rallied like this. So be patient. Just put your orders in a nice demand area like this and wait for prices coming back to you guys, right? Okay, so this is all for precious metals this week. Please support us. If you like this video, please support us here with this icon here, with this channel. And this is the only way that you can support us. Thank you so much. Have a good weekend. Bye.